MushingMotors.com. Here we have a 2011 Mustang GT500 Shelby SVT, that's Special Vehicles Team. They're responsible for Ford's high performance vehicles. This one is outstanding. Have a look in the frames there in the trunk. It is just a beauty. It is in outstanding condition. There is a tonneau cover with it, and the trunk on a Mustang is large enough to hold 2 suitcases along with all of your passengers. So that's a very cool thing. Shelby GT500, of course, Carroll Shelby being the instigator of this design, and it is outstanding. Big, gigantic out exhaust. So that's the Ford Performance exhaust. It's awesome, sounds fabulous. Dual racing stripes that I've shown you. This has got brand new Michelin Pilot Sports on it over top of the factory original SVT wheels, which are done in that chrome paint, which is black, and it looks black, but it's not. In some places that actually is not black in there, that's just shadowed, but it's really quite beautiful. So gorgeous looking vehicle with wheels that are outstanding. The interior has the red, white racing stripes down the center as well. They look fabulous. They also have Alcantara in the side panels there, which is suede-like. And then have a look in the back. Looks stunning, doesn't it? Just beautiful. In the front here, we've got the Shelby GT500 floor mats there, which are the nice thick carpeted ones. The books are with the car right there, and the wheel lock right there. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. It is in outstanding condition. SVT again, right there that lights up. That's Special Vehicles Team, and that's for the high performance division. There's your GT500 stripe and your Cobra in there. And here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues, just brand new tires, looking awesome. Brakes are outstanding. Under the hood, 550 horsepower on a supercharged 8-cylinder engine, which is handmade, by the way, and signed by each person who assembles it right there in the Special Vehicles Team. So 5.4 liter V8 engine with a supercharger on it producing 550 horsepower. It is just crazy. What a fun ride. So let's close the hood on this one. Have a look at the front. Looks to be in quite outstanding condition. I'm sure there's a stone chip on it somewhere, as every car has 1 or 2 somewhere. I'm not seeing a lot of chips though. Looks really awesome. And that's not a chip, that's a little mark. No big deal. So fabulous. It was a speck of dust, by the way. Michelin tires, brand new, and the brakes look awesome. Look at the size of the calipers on that. That will stop you for sure. And of course, they're Brembo, as you can see. Beautiful. And then your back wheel here, same thing, fabulous condition. Lots of rubber, brand new Michelin Pilot Sports. Over here on the driver's door, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors right there, Shaker 500 sound system. The driver's seat is in spectacular condition. And of course, it has the Shelby embroidered, or pardon me, raised on the seat there. And you've got the Alcantara steering wheel right there. And let's fire this one up, shall we? Fabulous. What a car. So let's close the door. I can show you the kilometers, which are 41,754. It's got factory nav right there, and you can have full map on there, which with factory nav, you also get completely automatic air conditioning. So we can touch this and go to home. And then once we're at home, you can do climate. And there's your air conditioning right there. And wow, dual zone automatic air conditioning, love it. And it's on dual right now. So this one's got the 5-speed, 6-speed transmission. Our power trunk is there. In here we've got dual cup holders, Shelby sign right there. In here we've got line in and USB and power outlets right in there. So that's awesome. And we've got steering wheel controls for the telephone and radio, and then cruise control over here. So great little setup over here. We've got info and setup, so that happens up here. So pushing those buttons changes all of this. So when we go through this, we can set up and we can do a system check and oil life, gauge color, halo lights, ambient light, my color, you can change the color, all of that stuff right here. So the oil at 66% because the customer traded it in, just changed the oil this spring. so it didn't need a change right now, as you can see. Listen to that. Wow, that is awesome. Let's put up the top. Just under 20 seconds to put the top up. And it's one button, which is right there. And then you go over here and you latch that, and then go over here and latch that one, and we're good to go. The windows are automatic. And there you go. Windows up, everything awesome. You can change the color of the gauges and the halos and all of that, as you know already. And we'll go back and show you the map and destination, which you can do. There's your nav, there's your phone, and your climate control. So everything right there at the touch of a button through the menu. It's got tilt wheel here, so we can tilt the wheel up and down and get to a comfortable position. Have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. There it is with the top up. Gorgeous looking car. So on the roof, you've got a cloth roof rather than a vinyl top, so that's the nice cloth there. Big whale tail, XM satellite radio, of course, and listen to that rumble. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Fabulous. And from the back, good looking machine. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2011 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible, loaded up with nav and all the other options. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.